All right, so we're back on our 1122 TST. We're doing a bunch of maintenance items on there. Today, or now, I'm going to install a new coupler on the end of the hose. So if you notice yours leaking, or it's banged up, doesn't want to work anymore, or it's leaking internally on the hose side of the O-ring, you may want to change it out. Now mine has a cheapo brass on there before we carried Mosmatic, so I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. And here's how you do it. You're just going to grab it here. You're going to use mine's a 25 millimeter. Yours may or may not be. But you grab the plastic here, 25 here, and you just loosen it like that. And there's mine. Yeah, mine has been on there a while. Ooh, she is pretty dirty, pretty rusty. All right, so then the plastic slides back to expose the end of the hose with the O-ring on it. And my O-ring is pretty well cooked. So I'm gonna have to, I was gonna use an O-ring pick, but it may not work. I may have to use a wire brush to get it out. So, all right, so O-ring just broke. But that's it, I got it out. All right, so wire brush it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Clean that off. So now we just need to put our O-ring on. I will put a little bit of lube on that O-ring. We'll slide it over the end of the hose. There we go. And then we can thread on our coupler. Get that on the O-ring first. And let's see if it's the same size. It is a 27. Nope. So the Mosmatic appears to be 28 millimeter. There it is. That's all there is to it. We do sell these on the website. This is a Mosmatic version, but any parts you're going to need for your Krensla 1122 TST, we can get them if we don't have them in stock. We do carry most of the maintenance items, unloader, valve kits, seals, and we do obviously carry the coupler. So, and anything else I'm sure we can special order for you. So I hope that helps you.